everybody, welcome to Steve's Homestead Workshop. My name is Ellie, I'm Steve's wife. Steve's currently out in the garage watching football on TV. And today I'm going to show you our greenhouse. We bought this greenhouse off of Amazon, and I will post an affiliate link below the video. Steve set this greenhouse up himself. And on the bottom, to reinforce the greenhouse, you see the big timbers. He put that all along the bottom of the greenhouse, as you could see. We did have one problem with this greenhouse. After about a year, the roof had torn, and we contacted the manufacturer, and they sent us a whole new greenhouse, which I thought was very good. They took care of us pretty well. This is the inside of the greenhouse. And when you first walk in, over here on the wall, I planted some cucamelon. And this was my first time planting cucamelon, so I really didn't know that much about it. But you can see it's gotten the fruit on it. And I didn't know how tall it was going to grow, so I ended up putting chicken wire right here on the ceiling of the greenhouse to help support it. We are new to greenhouse growing. This is only our second year, and we've planted bell pepper, which that's what that is. And I have an artichoke, some more bell peppers. Then right there, that's a cayenne. And it's gotten pretty big. I didn't know they would grow this big. It's almost tree size. This, I believe, is a Marconi bell pepper. And here we have a tomato. It's either a big red or I can't remember the other one. This is a cabbage plant. And I do have some weeds in here I need to pull out. This is another bell pepper. And right here is another Marconi, I believe. And I believe it's a bell pepper. They just get really big. Here's one of them right here. This is a bell pepper. And another type of pepper. And here's another tomato. These two are big reds. And this one lost its name tag. We are getting some tomatoes on it, and we are in the month of October. Today is October 21st. And I keep some tools in here. And over here I have bee balm. And this is borage. And it's fixing to get some pretty blue flowers on it. Well guys, that's it. I just thought I'd share our greenhouse with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you liked it, please click like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and y'all have a good day. Bye-bye.